Hi and welcome to this mini tutorial of ColorJob, a visual project tracking tool designed to help construction companies manage their projects more efficiently. Today we are going to learn how to use the color boards. The color boards feature is a very powerful tool in ColorJob. With these boards, you can keep track of leads, sales, estimates, and more. You can also use it as a planner, a schedule, or simply adapt it to whatever workflow you need. First, go to the Color Boards section and click the Create Color Board button. Then, assign a name to your board and open it. Next, add a column and choose a color for it. After that, you can start adding notes to each column. Enter the name, description, and due date if applicable, and save your changes. Click on the note to add files or comments. You can also move notes between columns. If a date appears in red, it means the activity is past its due date. You can delete notes whenever necessary. You can add existing users or invite new users to collaborate on your color board. And finally, in the Settings module, you can rename the board or delete it. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use the color boards feature. See you in the next video.